Good morning, Jolen.
All good, all good.
Yeah. Now we are having only 4 participants from the class. This is a lab-based or practical-based session. So, am I audible to you? Just respond me through the chat or show your thumbs.
Yeah, you are audible.
Great. This is the practical session where we will be considering the change in term of graphical that may happen if you are considering land use land cover mapping in a study area for 2 different years. So you know that because of the human interaction or human use of land, the land use land cover are rapidly changing. So that change can easily be assessed by comparing two different set of data with interval of at least 5 to 6 years so that you can find the major changes and you can identify those changes visually, that is called graphically, as well as you can have your statistical change information. So where the changes taken place? One, two, how the changes taken place. So these two questions will be answered by the process of change detection. So can you see my screen? You can just put emoji. So I know that you can see my screens. Here you can see I have opened the ArcGIS and now I will add two data sets from this folder. 1990 is the first data, that is classified data. You already know we have done that work earlier. And there is another data that is called classified data of 2005. The first thing we have to do, our class order and the class numbers, they must be same. Otherwise, software don't know. Software will mix up everything and will give you an absurd information. There is a method over here in ArcGIS, and it's a very easy method to understand highlight change. So how to do that? It's a single click information. So we will go to window and you can see there is a option is called image analysis. So if we click on that window image analysis, we are going to get a image analysis option over here. As I have opened both the layer like 1990 and 2005, so they are appeared over here. We have to select both 1990 and 2005 here. Okay, once we select both, we have to go down towards the processing stage. You can see now that is the processing stage. So under this, this particular icon with the green and the red underneath, this is called differences. It's compute the change between two selected layers using pixel over pixel comparison and create a temporary layer. We will click on it and see. You will get an image difference. Now I will close this image analysis. We have produced now the difference between 1990 and 2005. So remember, during our theoretical class, we have mentioned the common class from 1990 and 2005, and they will be called no change. Okay, no change. Why no change? Because there are some pixels that are not actually changed. So we will say no change area. So now I will do classification of this resulted output as I mentioned. Now you can have a look. There are 3 classes only. Green denoted over here as minus change. Red is positive change and the yellow pixels are considered as unchanged area. That is the section 1 that we have mentioned earlier. And if you have any question, let me know.